A lot has changed during the last 50 years. But despite these changes, there has been little or no development for companies managing trade and working capital finance. Much of the current $8 trillion open account trade finance market still operates on antiquated software models and paper-based systems, resulting in high costs and complicated, inefficient solutions. But what if there's a better way to efficiently conduct trade finance and gain greater access to trade and working capital finance for companies all around the world? Well, now there is, thanks to Marco Polo. Marco Polo is an open trade finance platform for financial institutions, their corporate clients, and many other participants within the trade ecosystem. Marco Polo offers trade finance innovation through new, powerful, and customizable trade finance applications based on the cloud, APIs, application program interfaces, distributed ledger technology. It further offers innovation through trade finance built on a next-generation workflow and business logic and rules engines, delivering dynamic trade orchestration programs that are unique to each bank and trade finance requirement. Because of this, Marco Polo is more transparent, reducing risk through improved security and trusted access to critical trade. Smarter, by using solutions enabling automated contract and settlement processes and improved client experience. And better connected through open APIs and Corda distributed ledger technology specifically built for trade finance. So, as you can see, Marco Polo offers a whole host of benefits, but how does it work in practice? Well, if a bank, for example, wants to finance trade for a client, they will need to get access to the underlying trade data. This can often involve receiving invoice data just via email or spending valuable time integrating with the client's systems. Both processes are potentially insecure, time-consuming, and may lead to human errors. And if that data then needs to be shared to other banks, the costs and risks again increase. However, with Marco Polo, the bank connects easily via an API to the corporate's ERP system, receiving access to the invoices and other trade data. This information can be further enhanced through connecting to logistics providers, verifying the invoice data, and by matching it to shipment tracking information. And with a new workflow, business logic, and rules engine, the bank can automatically check financing and credit risk rules and process the transaction. There is also the option to manually intervene to handle exceptions using a dedicated trade finance application. Placing all the underlying data securely on the Corda blockchain technology from R3 enables interoperability between different trade systems and networks, while allowing the bank to share the data securely with other financial institutions and provide more funding and credit insurance options, and in turn, better services for the client. So, in summary, Marco Polo provides a superior customer experience, a collaborative approach working with many banks and technology companies, a secure global open business network for trade finance, real-time visibility into a single source of truth for critical trade data, and a smarter, better connected and more secure technology infrastructure for the entire trade ecosystem. With many leading financial institutions already on board, now is the perfect time to find out how Marco Polo will improve your organisation.